IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Are you a polite person? Band 5. Answer.
I think I am a polite person because I usually say please and thank you. I try not to be rude to people, especially older people. Being polite is important in daily life.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, very basic vocabulary. Grammar, mostly correct but repetitive. Pronunciation, generally understandable. Typical of a Band 5. Safe, short, and slightly lifeless. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I'd say I'm quite polite, especially in formal situations. I try to be respectful, listen carefully, and use courteous language, even when I disagree with someone. Of course, nobody's perfect, but I make a conscious effort.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence clear and well organized. Lexical resource, good range. Courteous, conscious effort. Grammar, accurate with some complexity. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of a Band 7.5. Controlled, confident, and human. Band 9 Answer.
I'd like to think so, yes. Although politeness isn't just about good manners, it's about awareness. I try to be considerate of other people's time, tone, and boundaries, even under pressure. That said, I'm polite by default, not by performance.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and nuanced. Lexical resource, precise and flexible. Grammar, sophisticated and natural. Pronunciation, fully natural and expressive. Typical of a Band 9, thoughtful, subtle, and slightly philosophical in a good way. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.